Pandey's MS Dhoni biopic has been in the news ever since the project was announced. And recently we told you that the Indian cricket team is set to make a special appearance in the film. Now here's something exciting. What is it? Well, Fawad Khan is set to play Anushka Sharma's boo Virat Kohli in MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. Yes, our little birdie tells us that the famous Pakistani actor will play India's new heartthrob on screen. Seems like the biopic on Dhoni is turning out to be a really big film with such an ensemble of cast, no? With the reclusive Fawad himself travelling around the US and UK for charity, there is no way we can confirm this. Looking at the Khoobsurat actor's striking resemblance to a dynamic young cricketer, he looks like the perfect choice to play Anushka's boo in the movie. Jodis on television are either made through soap serials or reality shows. Haven't we seen one and more of these happening couples click on screen and say goodbye off screen? Well, now we have the upcoming Nach Baliye with, guess what, our own Bigg Boss hot couple Karishma Tanna and Upen Patel ready to shake their legs for the Janta. Don't we remember how Karishma and Upen had brought heat into Bigg Boss 8 with their oh so cozy scenes? So is Nach Baliye now gonna be a sitcom hot seat for them, or are they really gonna do a dance is the question. With the very popular reality show Nach Baliye gathering couples for the upcoming competition, this is one couple who's sure to have the attention of the audience. What say? Bollywood fans are known to go to extreme extents when it comes to showering praise on their stars. While building temples with statues of actors, trolling rivals and setting up fan clubs are old news. 5 Salman Khan fans have set up a restaurant called Bhai Jan's in Mumbai. Any resemblance its name may bear with the fact that Dabangg Khan's next flick is titled Bajrangi Bhaijan could seem coincidental. Bhaijan has been a popular nickname the actor has acquired over the years. The restaurant that's situated on Carter Road in Bandra is the brainchild of 5 friends: Tabrez Sheikh, Rahul Kanal, Khurshid Khan, Zafar Syed Yusuf and Sohail Siddiqui. Giving an insight into the place, we got a chance to click some pictures. Here are a few pics of the place, a must-watch for all Salman Khan fans. Enjoy! Who does not watch the teleserial Kabool Hai? We all know everyone likes the lead actress Surbhi Jyoti and were drooling on Karan Singh Grover, the hunk of the show. But Grover had other plans maybe, for it was Bollywood calling for him. So we had Karan Singh Bora in place of the other Karan. But Karan has got more philosophical, hai na? Cause he now has left the show. With the Kabool Hai team faced with the shift of the Karans, the only option they have is to change the theme and have a new deco to the show. With the TRP ratings very important for teleserials, these walk-ins and walkouts are perhaps a way of attracting the interest of the filmy Janta, would say. Ranbir Kapoor will play a street fighter in Bombay Velvet. Siddharth Malhotra and Akshay Kumar are playing boxers and brothers, and now it can be unveiled that Bollywood superstar Salman Khan too will play one in his next. Yes, our little birdie tells us that in Ali Abbas Zafar's Sultan, the Dabangg Khan plays the title role of a 40-year-old boxer. Bollywood's Bhai is committed to finish Bajrangi Bhaijan and Prem Ratan Dhanpayo. He can't afford to shed his current look. How will he manage to make time and the body for this role is something that the actor has to figure out. The once ignored sport is grabbing eyeballs, and there's even Honey Singh's boxing league. It's a dream of fans all over to see Salman, Aamir and Shah Rukh, the 3 Khans of Bollywood, together under one frame, but it has been an impossible task for any filmmaker. Nonetheless, in Rajat Sharma's 21 years celebration of Aap Ki Adalat, the unthinkable was done. But witnessing them in one flick still remains to be an uphill task. Here's what Farah Khan has to say about the same. According to the choreographer turned director, even God can't bring them together, so she's not even attempting that. She tried to rope in 3 stars in hit flick Om Shanti Om title track. Dabangg Dude and King Khan shared few frames in the song. Besides others, Aamir was seen missing. Will she be able to cast the 3 Khans together? Boy, it will be fabulous, no? Chances are less she might just get lucky, so never say no, Hannah. Deepika Padukone has always proven that she's perfect in whatever she does. So with the upcoming flick, where she's starring ready for a shoot, what has Deepika to show us? Well, Bajirao Mastani, Deepika's next release, gives her a chance to get closer to her current boo Ranveer Singh. So what is this? Well, our Khufia Jasoos tells us that Deepika was seen wearing an armor of over 20 kgs and practicing brandishing swords and weapons. Bajirao Mastani is about a brave girl who fights her way into battles, and Deepika has to learn to get perfect scores with the audience. Knowing her well, she's doing it with finesse and expertise. Keep it going, gal. Here's an interesting piece of information you don't want to miss. Shah Rukh Khan. Last Eid, Salman Khan hugged Shah Rukh Khan and put an end to their jhagda. But looks like the war isn't over yet. Relax, boys, we are talking about the box office clash. That's right, Salman's Tara Sultan and Shah Rukh's Raees are set to clash on Eid 2016 with both their films hitting the box office on the same fest. Till now, no one has dared to release a film on Eid along with Salman release. This will be the first time that he's being challenged on what is considered a Salman festival in industry circles. Now, it remains to be seen as to who will hit the bull's eye and who manages to pull the audience at the box office. Sunny Leone is a sure winner for everyone's fantasy. And now with her role in Leela, she's sure to beat a few more hearts. And now it is Sunny Leone's husband Daniel Webber who is up for start. Our Khufia Bird says that Sunny's husband is ready with a movie Dangerous Husn with him as the lead star. Whoa, that's news, Hannah. So after Baby Doll, are we having a boy Jim in the offing? Just kidding. Sunny's talent is very well known to all. And with her husband also in a meaty role, things are going great guns for the jodi. So what happens when the Baby Doll has her husband too in a movie? It is obviously gonna be a sizzling rocking duo, but it is for them to make it so. Till the movie is released, we wonder what could keep Sunny ticking. Bollywood's richest dude Shah Rukh Khan is making his rebound on television as host of India Puchega Sabse Shana Kaun, a diversion show adapted from Who's Asking international format. But did you know Ranveer Singh was the first choice as a host for the show? Well, in an event that sources are to be accepted, the makers of the reality show approached the Kill Dil actor to host the TV diversion show, which he rejected because of his packed schedule. Now, as they say, one's loss is another's gain. The offer went to Shah Rukh Khan that he acknowledged. India Puchega Sabse Shana Kaun is said to change the flow of non-fiction formats on small screen. But tell us, did Ranveer turn down the offer? Was he the first choice for Shah Rukh's reality show? We want to know your thoughts in the comments.